After a criminal complaint is registered and the police complete their investigation, the case does not always result in a charge sheet. In some situations, the police may file what is known as a closure report. A closure report is a formal document submitted by the police to the court stating that after investigation, there is not enough evidence to proceed with a criminal case against the accused. This may happen for several reasons. The investigation may reveal that no offense was committed or that the complaint was based on misunderstanding, mistake, or false information. In other cases, the police may find that there is insufficient evidence to identify or prove the involvement of any particular person. When this happens, instead of filing a charge sheet, the police submit a closure report to the magistrate. The closure report explains the findings of the investigation and provides reasons why the case should not proceed to trial. However, the matter does not automatically end there. The magistrate carefully reviews the closure report and the material collected during the investigation. The court has the authority to accept the closure report if it agrees that there is no sufficient ground to continue the case. But the court can also reject the closure report if it believes that further investigation is necessary or that there is enough material to proceed. In some cases, the complainant may also be given an opportunity to raise objections before the court decides whether to accept the closure report. This process ensures that investigations are not closed without judicial scrutiny. A closure report is therefore an important safeguard within the criminal justice system. It prevents unnecessary trials while ensuring that the court supervises the police investigation process. Understanding what a closure report is helps citizens see how cases can conclude after investigation, even before trial begins. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.